Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Motorola Edge 40 Pro. This phone has been making waves as one of the best bang for your buck flagships in 2024. Let's see. Starting off with the design, the Edge 40 Pro looks and feels premium. It has a curved 6.67-inch OLED display with Gorilla Glass Victus protection on both sides, giving it a sleek and sturdy build. And don't worry about those accidental spills, it's IP68 water and dust resistant. The phone comes in several colors and trust me, it feels great in hand with its smooth edges. Now onto that display. The Edge 40 Pro's OLED screen is stunning. We're talking about 165Hz refresh rate, which is amazing for gaming, and HDR10 support for vivid colors. The 6.67-inch screen is perfect for watching movies, playing games, or just scrolling through social media. Everything looks fluid and responsive, which enhances the overall user experience. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset paired with 12GB of RAM. This thing is a beast in performance. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just streaming, it handles everything without breaking a sweat. And yes, it's 5G ready, so you're future-proof for the fastest network speeds. Next up, the cameras. This phone sports a 50MP main sensor, another 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom. Motorola has really upped their game in camera performance this year. The photos come out crisp and clear, and the low light performance is impressive thanks to their software enhancements. On the front, you've got a 60MP selfie camera. Selfies never looked better. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The Edge 40 Pro packs a 4600 mAh battery, and with 125W fast charging, it can go from 0 to 100% in just under 25 minutes. That's right, a full day's power in less than half an hour. It also supports wireless charging if you prefer that option. So there you have it. The Motorola Edge 40 Pro is a fantastic device if you're looking for flagship performance without breaking the bank. It ticks all the boxes for design, display, performance, cameras, and battery life. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews.